guys, what's up? It's Ellie here, and today we are on a photo shoot. Yeah, it's pretty dope. It's pretty lit. Look at this.
It was so last minute.
Yeah, we literally planned this today, and like I got out of volleyball at like
cute.
3, and they already planned it, and I was like, I'm coming, so here I am. And I destroy nature in order to look better.
Can I take a picture of you guys in it? Ellie, Maddie.
So does Maddie.
Ready?
Look at that. Wow. It's an avocado.
Thanks.
Oof. It's like not focusing correctly. I'm really stressed out right now.
She got off with my
Ooh.
crew.
Ooh, I see you, Maddie. Okay.
Vlog it. And Hooji with a flower.
Wait.
Whoa.
Wait, you gotta like that handhold. Aw, Keisha.
Oh my gosh, open your fingers. You rubbed my shoulders and now you have highlighter all on your fingers.
Oh my gosh, this girl is so extra. She literally highlighted her shoulders in order to take it.
Listen,
I
my
love
shoulders
you.
exposed. Stop! No, I don't.
It's like actually serious.
I wanna.
Can I hold the camera, please?
Sure,
I
don't break
haven't
it.
taken a picture on the camera yet.
you.
You know what, Ellie?
Fine. I'll just go over here.
I just want
Mind my own damn business.
Oh
my gosh, y'all, there's literally so many mosquitoes. It's disgusting. I want to cry, but it's fine. It's fine, honestly.
No, it doesn't.
I hate this.
Is it off?
Yeah.
How do I turn it on?
Wait, it looks good with just one. Can I try it with just one?
That's my house.
Sorry,
Just kidding, guys.
No,
I
it's okay.
live in a box.
Okay, do
I hate you.
What?
That's so
You're
cute.
so cute.
That's literally the cutest thing I've
You're
ever seen in my
like
entire
so.
life.
You're such a beautiful person. Huh?
Look at this level of extra. This is what we do to get good instas. So, you should go check out my Insta. ellie.richmond. I'll put it in the bio. Good times. I just started my YouTube channel. Don't judge me. Oh my gosh. I have 4 subscribers. And guess who it is? It's her.
Okay, what should you tell
Who else? No, Courtney and one other person. It's literally, no,
Subscribe to your own channel.
probably. It's probably me, you know, honestly. So yeah, that's kind of sad, but it's okay. I'll get over it eventually. I'm just doing it for fun anyways.
Okay, hold on.
That's goals!
You're gorgeous.
Wow.
Where's
the double chin?
Where?
Where at though? Oh wait, it's not there.
Cause I will fear no evil. For my God is with
Wait, what song is that? That sounds so good.
me.
That sounds so good.
And if my God is
Oh.
with me, who then shall
Sounds better though.
That was a vibe. I'm gonna end this in like 2 seconds, but
Or
like,
should I post this one? Or should I post this one?
Bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is